Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to restore your brand account on YouTube. Open your favorite browser. Go to myaccounts.google.com/brand accounts. Now select the Google account you want to use. If you are signing in for the first time, you may be asked to enter your email address. Enter your password and click Next. You are signed into your Google account. Here you can find all your brand accounts on YouTube. If you don't find any channels here, means your YouTube channels may have been deleted. Now click on Deleted Accounts to view all your deleted brand accounts. Now click on the Restore icon next to the channel name you want to restore. Hit refresh. That's it, your brand account has been restored. Now open a new tab and navigate to YouTube. Click on your profile picture at the top right corner of the page. Click on YouTube Studio. As you can see, your channel has been restored. This is how you can restore a brand account on YouTube. Thank you for watching.